The answer is, inside the for loop, around this line, I need to check whether I'm on an even or an odd count before I decide what to print. If the counter mod 2 is 1, then I'm on an odd number. On odd numbers, I want to print out the counter and eat. Otherwise, on the even numbers, I want to print out sleep. Let's see how this works. Looks like I missed a quotation mark. I get what we wanted. Here I could have just said if counter is 1 or 3 or 5, like this. And this would still work, as long as I only print 6 numbers. But if I wanted to print 12 items, Eliza's list wouldn't have eat after the 6th item.